Delphi method from Shubham Patil. Introduction. The Delphi method is a structured communication techniques originally developed as a systematic interactive forecasting method which relies on a panel of experts. It is believed that during this process the range of the answers will decrease and the group will converge toward the correct answer. Delphi method have been designed for normative and explorative use, particularly in the area of social policy and public health in Europe. More recent web-based experiments have used the Delphi method as a communication technique for interactive decision making and democracy. Mini Delphi or estimate talk estimate. Delphi defined as an organized method for collecting views and information pertaining to specific area, gathering a group of experts to forecast events and assess complex issues, collective human intelligence. History. Delphi derives from the Oracle of Delphi. Delphi method was developed by Cold War forecast the impact of technology on warfare. Next, US Army aircrafts. Then to cross this shortcoming, the Delphi method was developed by Project RAND. During the 1950-1960s, Alf Helmet, Norman Dalkey and Nicholas Researcher. Key characteristic of the Delphi method: structuring of information flow, regular feedback, anonymity of the participants, role of the facilitator. Application of the Delphi method. First, application of the Delphi method vary in the field of science and technology forecasting. The objective of the method was to combine expert opinion on likelihood and expect development time. Delphi when it appropriate. In situation where there is no clear-cut resolution of a given policy issue, use it to explore an issue with a distributed group of people. Use it move a group of people towards consensus. How to use it? Define the problem. Give everyone the problem. Collect the responses. Give everyone the collection. Repeat as necessary. Define the problem. Give everyone the problem. Collect the responses. Give everyone the collection. Repeat as necessary. The process may now be repeated as many times as is deemed appropriate if you are seeing consensus and there was a wide range of responses. Then this may require several iterations, in particular at least a second round, to see how others have scored can be very useful. Advantages by Delphi method. Opportunities for large number of people to participate. Focus is on ideas rather than individuals. Anonymity for participants which make contribution of idea a safe activity. Opportunities for participants to reconsider their opinion. Allows for identification of priorities. Limitations. Large amount of time to conduct several rounds. The complexity of data analysis. Self-reporting data is subject to response bias and memories. Conclusion. During last 10 years, the Delphi method was used more other especially for national science and technology foresight. References. Any question? Thank you.